All right, I want to show you this new massager I got. I'm always having back pains and it just feels good to have something rubbed or worked on. So this is one that I can use mostly myself. Now it's advertised as a cellulite massager, but you can use it for just normal massaging as well. I think it would take a while to see results for the cellulite part, but I'm sure it could be helpful. So I just want to show you how small it is. I was not expecting it to be this small. It fits right in this little case, which is really cute. And then here's what it looks like. And you can hold it various ways to get to various spots. It does come with different heads to work on different things. So you've got that one, here's another one. And then it also came with instructions and also various fuzziness of pads to go over the top. So if you want to use on bare skin or something, it's going to be softer on your skin if you use it with the pad on it. So I think that was a cool feature. And then also a cord, so you can charge it up. Here's where the charging is. Now here's the button. To get it to come on first, you need to hold it down. And there you go. You can see the massage motion. You can use it on your shoulder, you can use it on your back, you can use it on your legs, you can use it really most places. Now there are different speeds, so this is the lowest speed. And the light will light up for you as you go. If you want, you can cycle all the way through to turn it off or hold it down and it's gonna turn off. Once it's to the, like there's not a green light around here, if you just press it quickly, it's not gonna turn on. You have to hold it down. And then, but if you, once the green light's on, so if you cycle through and it's still on, to turn it back on, the green light is still on, to turn it back on, you just have to press it. So, so I'm very excited to use this on sore spots and see how it helps. But I love how small it is, easy to hold, and the various options you get with the different interchangeable parts on it.